Welcome back to Maths with Mrs. J. I now want to teach you how to share in a given ratio. In everyday life, things are not always shared equally. Examples of that are many. If you're making up cement, you're not going to put in equal quantities of each component. If you're making a certain colour, such as in this example here, you're not always going to put in equal quantities of your various colours. In this example here, we want to make a certain colour of icing that's going to be something sort of purplish, I guess. We're going to use blue, red and pink in the ratio 5:2:1. And we know we want to make 800 grams total of icing. We want to know how much red icing are we going to need. Let me demonstrate the process here. It's really quite simple. We use the unitary method. So the first thing we do is we do total number of parts. That is a hashtag, but it means number, is 5 plus 2 plus 1, which is 8. Now we know that our 8 parts has to equal 800 grams. So that's step 1, work out your total number of parts. Step 2, equate that total number of parts to your total quantity. So 1 part is obviously going to be 800 grams divided by 8, which is 100 grams. Now we need to go back to our question and have a look at what we're actually being asked for. We're being asked for the amount of red icing. Don't ask me why I've circled it in yellow, but oh well. So we want red icing, and that is 2 parts. So red icing is 2 parts. So we're going to have 2 lots of 100 grams, which is 200 grams. And then we should answer our question. If we're asked a question in words, we should answer it in words. So we'd say, therefore, 200 grams of red icing is required. Just a little note on the practical side, if you're into cake decorating, normally what you do is you actually make up a big batch of white icing and you just add drops of those colours in that ratio. So maybe 5 drops of blue to 2 drops of red to 1 drop of pink. But anyway, I thought it was a good example.